Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Dylan coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 41 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost last night against the Bucks with the score of 101 to 115. Today's announcements are today's special lunch. Make sure you have your ticket and enjoy some yummy buona. Clubs meeting today are Tap Writing Club will meet today from 3 to 4 p.m. Fit Fun Club will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in the gym. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Student Ambassadors will meet from 7:45 in the music room. Mathletes will meet at 7:45 in the LRC. Art Apprentices will meet at 8 a.m. in the art room. Endangered Species Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 203. This is your kindness bingo check-in. Are you still working to complete your bingo board? Have a tremendous Tuesday.